Hey everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to download Windows Server 2022 in your Virtualbox. And I'm also going to teach you how to set up or install your Active Directory and configure it in your Windows Server. So let's now start by downloading our ISO image file of Windows Server 2022. So first you need to go in this website and click this one to download your ISO image file. So I'm going to be providing the link down below this description for you to find this. And now, since I already have downloaded it, let's now proceed in our VirtualBox. So in here, just click New, and then let's name our file Server 2022. Then select your ISO image file. So I have it here. And then skip the unattended installation. Then click Next. And for our base memory, let's set it to 5000 megabytes. And for our processor, set it in around 5. So click Next, and then click Next. And then here is your summary of your configuration. Then click Finish. So let's now click the Start button. So in here, just click Next, and then click the Install Now. So in here, I'm going to be using the Windows Server 2022 Standard Evaluation, my desktop experience. So just click Next, and then accept the license terms, and then click this one, the Custom Install Microsoft Server OS. Then click the unallocated space. So let's wait for this one to finish. So let's now set up our password for our administrator. Okay, so I enter your password 3, then click Finish. Oops, I'm sorry. Then just wait. So in here, you are asked to Control Alt Delete to unlock. So all you need to do is just click the input, then keyboard, then do the insert Control Alt Delete, and it will restart your computer. And now let's enter our password. 3, and there you go. So now we are here in our server manager. So just click No. And finally, we can see our server manager. So just click X here. So now to configure our server, our Active Directory, so just click this one, Add Roles and Features, and then just click Next, and then do the role-based or feature-based installation. Just click Next, and then just select this one and then click Next. And now you need to click the Active Directory Domain Services. So just add features. Then after that, click Next. And then you have choices here whether you want to add more features to install, but in my case, I'm satisfied with this. So just click Next. And then with that, just click next again, and this one. So in this one, you need to click the install button, and let's just wait. So I guess we are done in our installation. So we can now click this close, and then um, we can restart this first. So just exit this one, and then let's find again our server manager. So now that we restart our server manager, you will now go here in the notification, and then click this promote this server to domain controller, and then in this select the deployment operation, we're going to add a new forest. Just click this one. So I'm gonna name mine as techcast.com. Then click next. So let's just wait. So in this one, for your forest function level and domain function level, you already have Windows Server 2016. And to specify your domain controller capabilities, I'm going to unselect the domain name system or the DNS server. So I guess select this one, and you need to type your password to restore the mode. So let's do it. Then after that, you can now click next, and let's just wait for it because it's loading. So to verify the name, assign a direct name. So I'm satisfied with here as my domain name. Just click next. And then specify the location of ADDS database. I'm satisfied here as well. So click next. And just click next again. And just wait for this one to load. And it looks like we are done, so just click the install. So the computer is being restarted because the Active Directory domain is now installed. So let's just close and then let's wait for it to restart. So let's now enter again our password. Welcome. If we have actually have set up our Active Directory, so let's go again to our server manager. And then in this part, just click the tools and then click this Active Directory users and computers. So let's just wait. Let's just wait and wait and wait. So as you can see here, you can now see our Active Directory techcast.com. So there you have it. I hope that you have learned something in this video. So please give this video a like, comment, and also share this video as well to your friends so that they can learn how this to download the Windows Server in the Virtualbox and also configure the Windows Server. So thank you guys for watching and I hope you learned a lot.